너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a product which is a waxing machine. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm also there in Instagram, so if you want to follow me over there, I will put my Insta ID on the screen, so do check it out and follow me over there. So guys, one of my friend recommended me this product, so I ordered it. This is what I received. So guys, this is the waxing machine. I'll show you. So guys, this is the machine. This is how it looks like. They have also provided charging wire. This is the place where you have to fix it. You will also get one instruction paper.
This is the wax holder. You can see the quality is very good and it is in pink color. This is the wax bar. My wax is white chocolate wax. You can use this wax or any other wax whichever you want to try. There are many options available in it. But this wax suited me well, so if you want you can try this wax. And guys, one more thing, you can also refill this wax. This is how you have to fix the wax bar into the wax holder. It is also transparent, so you can see the wax from outside. Guys, this is a waxing strip. You will need these strips if you are doing wax at home. I got these strips from my nearby beauty shop. You can also get this from online or any other beauty shop. And you will also need talcum powder. So guys, these are the three things which you will need. And you will also need this body lotion. Guys, you can see my hair growth. So guys, I kept this wax holder for around 25 minutes and now you can see it's quite hot. So I'll start doing my wax. Now guys, I'm applying talcum powder on my hands. And guys, the wax is not too hot, so you can directly apply it on your skin. It will not get burnt. Now guys, start applying the wax on the hands, on the direction of your hair growth. Now guys, start applying the wax on your hands. Now guys, apply the waxing strip on your hand and pull it on the opposite direction of your hair growth. So guys, repeat the same process wherever you have hair growth. Guys, you can see this wax has removed all my hairs and my skin has become very clean and clear. Guys, you can see this wax has also removed all of my tanning too. Now guys, apply any body lotion on your hands and massage it well. So guys, these are the simple steps which you have to follow. So guys, do try this wax at your home. It will definitely make your skin soft and clear, and it will also remove your tanning.
So guys, there are a few points which I'm going to be discussing with you all about this product. So please watch this video till the end without skipping. So guys, the first question is it affordable? Yes guys, it's very affordable. It costed me around 520 rupees around. I'll put the link in the description box. Go and check it out. So guys, the second point is it painful? No guys, it's not at all painful. The wax which I received was white chocolate wax. So if you also want and try this wax, it's not at all painful for me. So guys, the third point is how much time do you have to keep this machine before using to get it hot. So guys, it will take around 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes around. Guys, I'm sure that 25 to 30 minutes is definitely convenient for everyone. The waxing bar which you get with the wax, that wax can cover 2 persons full hands and full legs. Only this much. But yes, you can refill the wax with any one which you have at your home. You can use honey wax or aloe vera wax or any one. I will definitely make a video on that too. So guys, this wax is very good. It will not make your skin red after waxing. It's not at all painful. So there are many good points about it. So do try it. Guys, if you will ask me the question whether I will use this wax again or not, I will definitely use it because I loved it. Guys, if you have a doubt whether you can use this wax on your underarms or not, then you can definitely use it. But for that you need to know how to use the wax, because you can definitely hurt yourself if you don't know. So be careful while doing wax on your underarms. Guys, one more point. This wax also removes your tanning. If you have any tanning on your hands or legs, it will definitely remove that too. Guys, you can see my hand. They are shining and it has also become very smooth. So guys, it's definitely a must buy product. So guys, this is how you have to do the waxing at your home. So if you like this video and if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification. Bye guys, see you in my next video.